This came out of a 2018 Chevy Equinox 1.5 turbo. The customer stated that the brakes got tight and the engine shut off. The vacuum pump had seized and blew up in the back of this mounts to the back of the head. We got this thing off and saw that there was some slight damage to this. We didn't think it was a big deal. Took the valve cover off, cleaned everything off, put it back together. The car would start, but it was very prolonged starts. So we went and took the valve cover back off, checked the timing in the front. Timing in the front was fine. But what we found out is whenever this seized up, it actually spun this section of the camshaft. Evidently it's pressed together. And the timing, according to the camshaft position sensor, was out, but the actual lobes were in place. Because when it would start, when it finally just gave up on getting camshaft position from the camshaft, it would run beautifully. And I just noticed it. Look, this thing is, can't tell, but it is bent. But anyway, so if it has a hard time starting after this happens, this vacuum pump fails, this had 80 or 90,000 miles on it, and your camshaft looks like it took a good hit, take a look at your timing in accordance to the position of this reluctor ring. The camshafts are like $100 at the dealership, and the vacuum pump is like $120, and the camshaft position sensor is $20, and this was, I think, $80 for the cam phaser. I suggest to replace all that just to be safe.